Good morning, students. This is the 9th standard mathematics class. Very first we are meeting this through video. Whatever we send through WhatsApp and YouTube, you can't study well. So this is the first effort for us, our class. First chapter, they gave set language. Set language, it is a very beautiful chapter, because almost all mathematical structures can be regarded as sets. Very fast, George Cantor, he is the theory of sets developed by German mathematician. His name is George Cantor. This is the message in your book, first page itself they given. So we can start from George Cantor. Cantor, what he told about set? Set is a collection of objects, not a collection of objects, well defined collection of objects. Well defined. Each and every things, if we can define very well, we can say this is a set. For example, here in our classroom, so many books are here. See, this is 9th standard Tamil book. This is 10th standard science, social, Tamil, maths, English, 10th standard. Here also Tamil book and English book. Likewise in Tamil medium, social science, science and mathematics book. And then here bridge course also here. 9th standard social science, Tamil medium, English medium science, bridge course, workbook. These are all workbook and this is bridge course. Likewise, all books are separated. Here 9th standard social science books are here. Likewise, we separated every books in each topic. We kept these books very well defined way. A set is a well defined collection of objects. So these are all called well defined collection. 9th standard Tamil book, 9th standard English book, 9th standard mathematics book, 10th standard Tamil book, 10th mathematics book, 10th Tamil medium maths book, 10th Tamil medium science book, Tamil medium social science book. Likewise 9th standard Tamil medium science book, Tamil medium social science, Tamil medium maths book. Likewise, these are all books right, each and every topic differ. This is called, for example, a set. I think this is enough to understand what is meant by set. One more example we can tell. In our classroom, last year 49 students are there, 8th A2, and then 8th A1 49 students, 8th A3 49 students. Likewise 4 sections are last year there. We can classify students, the name beginning with A alphabets students in 8th standard, 4 sections. Afrin, Akshaya, Anishna, likewise Anupriya, Abhinaya. Likewise we can classify our 8th A2 students. Likewise 8th A1, A3, A4 also we can classify with the beginning of alphabetic A letter. Aisha Begum. Likewise we can tell the first letter A student. Okay. And then what are the students, B grade students, C grade students we can classify in our class. Likewise, well defined, we can say well defined, சரியாக நன்கு வரையறுக்கப்பட்ட உறுப்புகளின் தொகுப்பை தான் நம்ம வந்து செட்டுன்னு சொல்கிறோம், கணம்னு சொல்கிறோம். அதில் வந்து பர்டிகுலராக இன் MBN ஸ்கூல் 8th standard students, 9th standard students, 10th standard students தனித்தனியாக நம்மளால் பிரிக்க முடியும். These are all called sets. This is the beginning of set language. And then set, they give some examples here. Fruits are here apple, banana, grapes, and these are all not a fruits, these are materials, electrical materials. They set right, this is one batch and this is one batch. So it is very easy example. Which of the following are sets? They just give one box and asking 5 questions. Collection of natural numbers, collection of English alphabets, collection of good students in a class. Good students, we can't define what is mean by good, so it is not a set, but we can say natural numbers, it is beginning with 1 2 3 likewise, so it can be a set. Collection of English alphabets, we know only 26 alphabets are there, A to Z, so it is a set, it is well defined, so it is also a set. Collection of good students in a class, it is not a set, because one teacher call some students as a good, another teacher say another students are good, so it is not a well defined. Some characters are there common to say it is a set, well defined, so it is not a set. Collection of states in our country, yes, we can count the states: Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Orissa, Assam, Meghalaya. Likewise, we can count and what are the states are there in our India, so it is a collection of well defined, so it is also a set. And then collection of beautiful flowers in a garden. Beautiful flowers means flowers are all beautiful, so it is not a well defined character, so it is not a set. So note like this, elements of a set are listed only once, it is very important. Once we listed the members of or elements of set, we can write as one time only, it will be come later for your book, we will deal that. Okay, then example 1.1, consider the set A is equal to Ashwin, Murali Vijay, Vijay Shankar, Badrinath is the set. This is called set bracket. See, we use set, this bracket, starting and closing, open bracket and closed bracket, this is called set bracket. Always we naming the set capital letter only, we know A, B, C, D, so likewise A, B, these are all the name of the set, always we noted in a capital letter, but elements it is a small letter. Elements always we can list out the elements in set only small letter, this is the conditions. And then here example 1.1, consider set A. In A set, set bracket they put opening and closing bracket Ashwin, Murali Vijay, Vijay Shankar, Badrinath. 4 names are here, fill in the blanks with the appropriate symbol, belongs to or not belongs to, belongs to or not belongs to, this is called belongs to and this is called not belongs to. They just gave some examples. First one, Murali Vijay, first one Murali Vijay is in a set. We check the Elements they gave, Murali Vijay is there. So we can put here belongs to A. Likewise, Ashwin. Ashwin also, second one. Ashwin also in this set of A. So we can put belongs to A. Third one, Badrinath. Badrinath also there in the set A. So third one we can put A, belongs to A. Fourth one, Ganguly is there. Ganguly is there. Ashwin, Murali Vijay, Vijay Shankar, Badrinath is there. Only 4 names are there, not Ganguly. So we can use here not belongs to A. Not belongs to A. Adla illa. Tendulkar. Tendulkar is there here. Ashwin, Murali Vijay, Vijay Shankar, Badrinath. Not Tendulkar. So we can use here also not belongs to. Fifth one. Not belongs to. This is a simple question and understanding from set language. So the solutions are also they gave here, no problem. Then a representation of a set. Next video we can see.